I'm James, a knee, foot and ankle specialist, and I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on how to rehabilitate turf toe. Please listen carefully to the audio during the demonstrations, as I'll talk you through when to move on to the next stage and how to perform the exercise correctly. All information is for educational purposes only, and it shouldn't substitute medical advice. As turf toe affects the motion of the big toe joint, it's important to practice how to move the foot correctly. So think about pushing the foot downward, followed by the toes, and then scrunch the toe at the end. Release the toes first, and then bring the foot upward. The flexor hallucis longus is the main tendon of the big toe. We want to get it strong again without irritating the joint, so we carry out an isometric contraction. So resist the pull from the band with your big toe joint, holding it in neutral for up to 45 seconds. If the last exercise is pain-free, we can progress to moving the big toe through a range. So the same as the exercise with the ball, move the foot first, then the toe, and then bring the toe back and then the foot back. Everything should be performed in a slow and controlled manner and should be pain-free to perform. You can now progress on to strengthening the flexor hallucis longus and standing off a step. This allows you to take it through full range while putting weight through your foot. This helps to strengthen other stabilizers around the ankle. The final progression of this is to stand on one foot. This is a really difficult exercise and should be performed around week 4 to week 6. It helps to stabilize the intrinsic muscles alongside the flexor hallucis longus. The aim of this exercise is to strengthen the intrinsic muscles of the foot to take the pressure off the big toe joint. Try to lift your arch up and down while stabilizing either on 2 books or on 2 blocks from a step like in the video. You can progress onto skater squats while trying to maintain your arch height, and remember, everything should be pain-free to do. Then finally, as a result of not being able to push through your big toe in the early stages, it's common that your calf muscles become tight. So stretch your calf muscles by keeping your back leg straight, and then you can move on to a different version of this exercise where you adopt the same position but you bend the back leg, keeping the heel on the floor to stretch the lower aspect of the calf muscle. This should be done for 45 seconds. If you found the video helpful, we've got other videos on taping for turf toe, shoes for turf toe, and if you got any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more similar content.